listeners, this is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is Who is Coming Towards You, X or Next. So friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, friends. Do make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot and click the bell icon. If you haven't already clicked the bell icon, click it so you get the notifications whenever the readings are posted. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it is going to help you out in some way or the other. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. So, let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1, this beautiful magenta purple leaf. Option number 2, this beautiful light pink leaf. Option number 3, this beautiful yellow leaf. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there and choose the number you feel most drawn towards. If you need more time, you can pause the video. That's perfectly fine. You can choose more than one pile also, friends. Yes. So let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful purple leaf, who is coming towards you? Is it an X or your next? I'm super excited to do this reading. Let's see. This is your advice card. I will be pulling more cards, so don't worry. Let's see your cards. Wow. Ooh, 3 of Swords. Ooh la la, that's hot and spicy a start. Not what I was expecting. The Knight of Wands. Okay, that's better. Temperance. The Hermit. 3 of Pentacles. The Empress. Wow. 3 major arcanas. And the 4 of Wands. Wow, that's interesting. Firstly, friends, I have to say this. You are feeling upset. I think you are fed up of your love life, or some of you have been single forever, or like you're upset about your love life. That's the first thing I'm getting. You know, you are upset with someone or your love life. If you are really single, you are upset, like why you are single. Life has been so unfair. Life is not treating you well. There is no balance. You are kind, you are loving, but you are still alone. Why? But I also feel for others of you, if you are not single, I feel someone has hurted your heart. Someone has brutally hurted your heart, put you through a lot of pain, a lot of challenges. I think you had an ex which broke your heart. They might have ghosted you. They might have ran away from this connection. I think this person was from your work, or you met them online or through some social media. I also feel this person, this relationship was, this wasn't a good relationship for most of you. It hurted you. It caused you a lot of pain. It caused you not just pain, but also it caused you to feel self-doubt, self-pity, self-harm. Like you felt triggered by this connection. I feel you were dealing. In the past you had a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person who has hurted you. But good news is, friends, good news is you are going to come out of this heartache, this trouble, this pain, these challenges, this this pain you are going through, you are aching for, this you are aching with. You are going to rise out of it like an emperor or an empress. Trust me, life is going to reward you. Trust me, friends, life is going to reward you. Why? Because you have been very strong and you have taken challenges head on. I feel some of you are destined for marriage. Yes, some of you are destined for a deep partnership and a strong commitment for life or marriage, or a deep friendship, a soul connection that you are yearning for it. You want it desperately, and it is coming your way. Congratulations, congratulations! And trust me, look at this, and look at this. I mean, here to here is a long journey. From here you are to here, and you are going to make it because you are this emperor or the empress. Look at this. Wow, it's a powerful reading. So who is coming towards you? Ex? No, not an ex. If you want them, maybe, but I would say the truth here, friends. Magic Vents Tarot says the truth. A new person is coming towards you, friends. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is coming towards you, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is coming towards you. This person will be coming very, very quickly into your life, and they will be very, very loving. They will be very, caring, supportive. You may meet them through your work or your college or universities, or through social media, or not like social media, like your common friends. They on your social media, your common friends know this person, or they will be knowing them, and then you are going to come in contact with this person. This is a new person in your life, and they are going to completely change your life. I think you and this person are destined for marriage, for commitment, support, long-term partnership, friendship. Some of you may end up getting pregnant with this person, having their baby, becoming their wife, their husband. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This person will work with you. They will support you. They will give you an equal partnership. This is something you deserve, pile number 1. This person will be very honest, very loyal, and they will also want to talk with you. Like this person, the one in the past, they never talked with you. They never talked with you. They never told you things. You never felt like you were in a relationship. In fact, they might have chosen someone else, put you in a third party. It broke your heart. It's shattered. I can see your tears. I can see your broken heart, the pieces of it. It's broken. But this new person is coming. They are coming very quickly into your life, and I see this green. They are going to heal you, friends, and this is destined for you. This is a gift for you, and angels will bring this connection to you, and because they want your life to be balanced. They don't want you to suffer and be in this pain. This relationship, this new relationship will be very balanced. You both will be nurturing and giving to each other. And this person who is coming, they will treat you, they will be romantic, they will be very receptive, very feminine. Even if they are a man, they have a caring heart, a soft side, kind eyes. And even if she's a woman, she's very caring, she's very motherly, sweet, very friendly. So you're going to enjoy this relationship. You're going to feel this person is healing for you. And some of you may start working together with this person, like a joint project. Maybe they are a creative person. You both are artists, musicians, actors, writers. You may start producing a song, writing a song, or working together on some project. I also feel you may end up getting married to this person, or you may meet them through a wedding, or an anniversary, or a party. You may meet them at a party. Let's see these extra messages. Gift number 17. See, 17 is the destined number 8 of Saturn. A gift is coming for you. This new person will be a gift for you. And this past person was also a gift for you, because this breakup was made you more smarter. It made you more spiritually wise. It made you work or turn into this strong emperor or empress energy, and that is why this gift will be yours now. You have done your work. And pile number one, if you haven't done your work, healed yourself, and becoming stronger in your own self, then you may attract your past person. So don't do that. Don't do that. Because you are very wise. You are very wise. So stay in your independence, enjoy it, love it, heal your heart, because this new person is coming. It's your gift, it's your spiritual gift, it's your reward, it's your patience paying off. Let's see if there is any other message for you. For pile number one, all that glitters is not gold. Number 16, yes. See, so past, you now have the past has made you very strong. It has removed all this mask from your eyes, and you see things as they are. You see people as they are. If the past person will return, you will not be convinced. You see them as they are, or you see things now clearly. You have, some of you are even questioning why you went through this massive breakup. Why? Because you were so kind. Why? Because you have become this smarter person. Sometimes to become smarter, it's like it is like sometimes we have to lose the key to open a lock. So we can also learn that we can smash the lock and open the door. So you have lost the key. Why? Because you have become stronger. Now you can smash the lock and open the door. And when you open the door, this new person is coming. Your Prince Charming, your Princess Charming. And they will bring you a gift. Something very sweet. I also see for some of you, 10-20% of you, the past person will try to win you back. They will try to give you a gift. They will try to, pull you back. The fate. This is, oh my god, number 17, number 17. Look at this. Again, number 17. I think it was fated, and the new person coming is also fated, friends. It is a destined connection for you. But I would suggest, friends, go for the new person, because I don't know if... I don't see anything about the old here except this. I would suggest you to say yes to the new person. Even if the past returns back. I don't know, it's up to you, but it's my advice. At the end of the day, your decisions are yours, friends. Anything else? Regeneration. Yes, you are going to be reborn. You are going to rise out of these ashes. You are going to be stronger, wiser, smarter, beautiful, sexy. You deserve the world. And it's coming. You deserve this gift. You are a prize. You are a prize, friends, and you are this goddess or the god. Believe in yourself. Even if you are a man, I feel this past heartache has made you self-doubt yourself. Your self-worth is triggered. So friends, please, accept the new things which are coming. A new person, yes, chaos and conflict. Heal this, and you will find a beautiful, amazing partnership coming your way. Number 33. The past has a lot of conflict for you. A lot of conflict, a lot of pain, but it's all over. Now you are ready for a new start. Let's see what is the advice for you. Well-deserved reward. Number 9. Number 9 is also about completion, a new start, a reward. See, well-deserved reward. Something good is coming your way, friends, and I feel you deserve it because you had been very strong. So the new connection that will be coming towards you will be very nice. You will be good friends, and some of you may get married to this person, or they may treat you like a wife or like the husband, like officially they will date you. So it will be good healing for you. Let's take one final advice for option 1 for their love life. Fellow travelers, support is all around you. You are not alone, friends. You are absolutely not alone. There is support all around you, and rainbows are coming. And not just that, Magic Vans Tarot, me, all of us here, our community is with you. You are never alone, friends. Never ever alone. Never doubt that. Support is all around you. I think some of you were still doubting, oh my god, this is too good to be true. Because you see, you still in this energy of all that glitters. Oh, it's so glittery, it won't be good, it won't turn true for me. No, friends, it will. Support is coming, friends. You are this peacock. You know, trust in your power, trust. So that's it for now, friends. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Let me know in the comment section if you like today's reading and the choice of the setup, the choice of the reading. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful pink leaf, let us see who is coming towards you, X or next. Very interesting today's reading. I'm curious about your love life or life in general. This is your advice. This is an extra card. Let's see your cards, friends. The 7 of Pentacles. The Knight of Swords. Even better. I see some knights coming for you. Knight in the shining armor. Sounds sexy. 4 of Pentacles. Wow, 2 Pentacles already. And the 4 of Swords. And the Wheel of Fortune. Now we are talking. Now we are talking. Oh my god, no, the Tower. No. That's not what we wanted to say, isn't it, friends? But I tell you, the next card is 2 of Wands. Honestly speaking, I have never seen the Tower card come up so often like it has done this year. It's like every reading, almost every other reading, it's coming and it's showing up, and it's like I'm like, okay, now can we have some other cards? Like, it's great, it comes with Wheel of Fortune. Oh my god. So who is coming towards you? Let's see that. Wow. X or next? I see an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Or you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, friends. I also see a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person coming towards you. I feel someone is keeping you in waiting. Someone is making you... There is this connection which is on hold, on pause. A relationship is stuck. It's not moving forward. It is stuck. Because this person is not taking action, or you are not... I feel that your person is not taking action. They are keeping you waiting. And they are not sharing their feelings. I feel this person is at a long distance from you, and I feel there is an age gap, or you both are of the same age group, but there is a maturity difference between you both. I also feel that this person is like, you know, they are forever like they're waiting for the right time. They think a lot. They are perfectionist. They could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, someone who overanalyzes situations. They take too much time. You know, too much time. They think, and still they think again. So who is this person? Who is this person? I think some of you already know who is this person, because I think some of you got a little irritated when I mentioned who is this person, right? Yeah, I know why. Who is this person that's coming towards you? The person whom you had a tower moment with, friends. Someone who ghosted you, who blocked you, some connection that ended on an argument, on a fight. I feel maybe this person was your friend or a crush that wanted to talk to you, but you got irritated by them, or you got angry or upset with them, or they did something to make you upset. Some fight, some argument happened out of the blue, and things just went off in this connection. Or this person was your lover. someone you loved, someone you dated, someone you had a relationship with, but they had a tower moment with you. You felt like this person just rejected you, or you were angry by their behavior. This person has done something to make you very upset and angry. And sorry to say, your past person is coming back. They are trying to walk in your life very sneakily. This person is waiting, they are watching your social media. I feel they are at a long distance, yet they are keeping, you have common friends. If not, they are watching your social media through fake accounts or something like that. They are using their friend's account or something. They want, why they are coming back? I feel this person wants to say something to you. I think they have not told you something about this connection, or why they ran away, why they hurted you, or they want to be in love with you. They want you back. They see your value now. They never realized your value in the past. This person kept you waiting. They were like, when you call somebody, this relationship was like, when you called them, they were like, hey, I'm getting another phone. Can you give me 5 minutes? And they never called you back. And you kept waiting. You were like, what happened? Oh my God. I think this person was completely about work, money, career, or they were very slow just because of they are very slow, analytical, logical. They don't trust their emotions. They don't open so easily. Now they are seeing your value. They want to come back. They want a new start. They want this new start. They are very hopeful. They will be very lucky this time. This person will be messaging you very quickly. Or they will be, some of their friends, if you have common friends, or they will write some messages or quotes on their social media trying to, about you, or they are missing you, or they miss love, something like that. I also feel this person wants to travel towards you and meet you, and they want to be this mature person. They are becoming more maturer. I think the separation between you and them has caused them to become mature. But the thing is, friends, I feel our viewers will not accept them because you are very upset with this person. You are like, no, go away. Go away. You'll chase this person like, go, go, go. No. You'll chase them. You will not be settling for less. But nevertheless, this person is coming. And they want to actually tell you that they had been immature, they had been a fool. They want to take things forward. Now they are more mature. They want to offer you something. They also wish for a new start with you. I feel you may have been neighbors, or you may have had once lived in the same city. So they want to travel towards you and offer you a gift or something, offer you friendship, like, let's go on for a coffee. I don't think so. This person will say they'll have an interest in you. That's why they are meeting you. No, they will be very casual. Hey, how are you? Long time. Let's go on a coffee date, not a date. They'll just be like, hey, how are you? Let's go for a coffee. But I think their intention is to win you back. They want to win you back. They desperately want to win you back. You are their lucky, lucky charm. But I see my viewers are very upset with this person. You will not be accepting them back. I see you go, go, go. I see you this fiery night. You will be asking some tough questions to this person, like, why are you back now? What happened? So what happened? What has changed? Have you become maturer? Will this fight happen again? What was going on in the past? So you will ask some tough questions. They are going to have to answer you and pacify you in some way. Privileged lady number 12, they see that you are very successful in your life, and they just can't, they see like you are going places, and they are not. So they want you now. They see they see your value now. They are like, oh, that was the goal, that was the prize, now I want them back. Good Lord. I think our viewers will not accept this person back. Even if you do, you will ask some really tough questions to them, like, what is, oh my God, No place like home. See, this card dropped out. No place like home. This person feels you are home for them. Number 50. No place like home. They feel like you were the home, or you used to also feel the same way that this person is your home, but I don't know what happened. Something happened. This tower happened. The home became, you know, a castle of sands came down. It was burnt. It was like the castle of sand. It just broke. What else? Okay. Breathe, take it easy. Yeah, friends, that's a good advice for you, because I see you getting worked up. If this person comes, milk and honey. Yeah, this person wants they want to offer you some sorry apologies or some explanation for their bad behavior. I think they also want to have this happiness, with you. They see you very successful. They see you are glowing without them, and they are like, what happened? I want you now. Breathe, just breathe, relax, don't get too worked up. And what else? Why is this person coming back? Yeah, because they were not they were rigid in the past, so now they want to be more flexible. Now they want to give you time, invest in you, and make things work out with you. So yeah, your past is coming back whether you want them or not. But I see you will not be saying yes very quickly. Let's see your advice. Release number 13. See, I see that most of you might say no to this person, or you might have to sit and talk about the past. Something needs to be released, some anger, some hurt, some pain. This tower needs to be explained, healed. I also see some of you might eventually actually release this person when they come back, and you'll be like, yeah, I'm done, I'm moving on. Because you are this person. Look at them. Beautiful and amazing. So let's see what's the final advice for you. Oh my god, that was quick. Thank you, angels. You don't want me to shuffle also. Voyage of the heart. Love flows through you and to you. See, you are love, friends. You are the person that's special. And that is why they want you back. Because they have realized your worth, your love, your affection. Once they left you, then they realized it. I think if you love them, say yes, because if you can forgive them, if you are ready for it, go for it. Watching clouds, lie back, rest and relax. And here is also the breathe card. I think divine timing is also at work in this connection. Maybe, you will accept them back, but not like as a lover. Maybe you'll stay as friends with them. And in divine timing, things will get better. Wondrous universe, walk in beauty. You are the magicians. Look at this, friends. You are the magic. You are the magicians, and everybody wants you. You can have anybody, friends. This person, new love, anyone. So go for it, whichever, whatever you want. But what is coming, I have told you. The past is coming, knocking on your door. Knock, knock. And I got that song. Knocking on heaven's door. You got to listen to that song, friends. It's a beautiful song, Knocking on Heaven's Door, and it's an English song, but it's a good song. I think the lyrics will be good for you. So that's it for now. If you enjoyed this reading, friends, do subscribe our channel, and if you like the setup or the content today, make sure to like this video. And if you are on Instagram, join us there as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And this is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose this option number 3, this beautiful, beautiful yellow leaf, it's my favorite leaf. Look at this, such a gorgeous one. Who is coming towards you? X or next? We'll see that. This is your advice. This is your extra message. We'll be pulling more cards, so worry not. Let's see your cards. Ooh, the 7 of Cups. Chariot. The Lovers. Page of Swords. Oh my god, I wanna sing today. And the Six of Swords. I know you'll get tired if I sing, isn't it, friends? The Five of Cups, okay? That's interesting. Nine of Pentacles. Oof. Wow. That's superb. So, who is coming towards you? Let's see. I see a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person coming towards you. You both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also see an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person coming towards you. A Gemini person, very strongly I'm feeling. It could be an Aquarius, Libra also. You could be also Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel, friends, that who is coming towards you? I feel, friends, you are going to have some choices in love. And, right now you are feeling very confused regarding your love life, or so right now I see you're feeling a little confused regarding your love life. You don't know what you have to do. Maybe you are with somebody or you are waiting for somebody, and but you are a little confused. Should you wait for them or should you not? Should you choose? Is there a new person coming? Maybe you're not even focused on love. Maybe I feel you're focusing on work and career. There are many options like worries in your mind regarding work, education, money. Your thoughts are there. You are not thinking about love. But the good news is, friends, you are going to get choice in your love. Yes, a lot of choices. I see someone is missing you, someone from the past who has hurted you, or someone who recently hurted you, or lost contact with you. You are not in contact with this person, someone in long distance. This person is missing you, friends. They are missing you and they want you back. I feel this connection is still there. Like, it's not like an ending and this connection has ended. It's just like you both are in touch but don't talk often, or you both don't uh, say express your love for each other anymore. This person is missing you. They want you back. This is someone who lives maybe in another country, another city, far from you. They want you back. They are really, really missing you. I feel this person is trying or will be trying very soon to reach out to you, message you. I feel some of you, our viewers, are also waiting for this connection to get better, or this person to message you and things to get better. So, yes, that energy is there. I do see some messages coming very quickly for you, very quickly. And your love life and life in general healing and moving ahead. So, that's a good news, friends. Also, another message is coming, which is not about this reading, but it is an extra message. So, I see some of you are worried about finances or your education or work. Rest assured, things will get better. Rest assured, money is coming your way, or some career success or work success is coming. So, rest assured for that. I do feel someone new is also coming, friends. Someone that you already are in contact with, someone who has a crush on you, or someone who left you or is right now not in touch. Someone who is not in touch with you. They disappointed you. They want you back now. They will be messaging you, and most importantly, on social media, they will try to reach out to you. I also feel there is another new person that is also coming from social media to you. Someone that's very rich, someone that's very wealthy, and someone who is very sure about what they want, who they are. They are quite outgoing. That is a new person. That person is also coming towards you. And you see them as this person, the new person will be quite powerful and quite attractive. They are very vocal about they are very loud about their love for you, or whatever they do in life. They are loud. Their expressions are loud and clear. I definitely feel you will have a choice, friends. You will have a choice from the old person, the past lover, and the new lover. Both are going to contact you on social media, or one of them is coming from social media. The other may contact you through other areas like meet you or something. But you will have a choice. You will have to choose which one you can go with. I also feel, friends, for some of you, there may be a choice like you where be so focused on your work and finances that you don't want to focus on love, but love is coming. It's coming very, very quickly on horseback for you, and they will be there for you, and you will be like, what? I want to work. I want to work, work, work. Why? Why this love? Why now? But they are coming, God and the universe is weird sometimes. So it's coming, friends, for you. And I also feel that this relationship from the past will get better. Maybe you will stay as friends, or like you will get as friends, or you will get this relationship going. And this new person will also be very attractive. They will also be very, like, you are very beautiful. They will compliment you a lot, your dresses, your looks, your work, your intelligence. This person will be like, yeah, very, very communicative. So you will have a choice to choose the past lover or the new lover. Maybe some of you want this past lover, but the new lover is coming. I see both of them coming. I see both of them coming, and you feeling like, wow, I'm this goddess, I'm this god, everyone wants me, center of attraction. You feel like this parrot that everybody wants. I want that parrot. That parrot talks, I want them. That's rare, that's exotic, I want them. I think everybody will be telling you how much they love you and all those things. I see your social media being, getting a lot of messages, not even one or two, but like three, four messages, three, four people telling you, oh, we love you, we care for you. So get ready, folks, get ready. Journey number 10. See? I definitely feel some journey or a trip is also coming, or someone is going to travel towards you, or while you are traveling, you may meet some person, some new lover. I also feel that someone is traveling towards your city, your country, or towards your social media, and things will get moving. Let's see your extra card. The Thinker, number 44, 444. Yeah, you will think about it. What's going on? You know what's going on? Why does everybody is messaging me? What's going on? Everybody wants me. What's this? You will be thinking about it. It's you here also you are thinking why this happened, why that happened. But you are in this yellow energy, so people want you. People want you. You are attracting people, you are attracting attention. To be fair, number 38. I think someone wants to offer you an apology. They want to tell you they love you. They want to be fair with you. That's why they are coming back. Also, I feel you may not choose love, or you may feel like, oh, I'm so busy at work. Where is the time for love? Serendipity. See, luck is with you, friends. Yes, I do feel, someone by luck, by a stroke of destiny is coming for you. And I see it is both of them, a new lover and the past one, both of them. Number 18, 26, 27, 11 are important. Let's see your advice. Love, number 6. Yes, friends, a relationship will get better or a new one will be yours. See, you are destined for love, that's for sure. Whether you want it or not, whether you are busy, you have time for it, you are destined for love. Any other advice for pile number 3? Transformation, a fresh new way of living emerges. See? You have started to value yourself, your work, your career, and that is why everyone wants you, and someone wants to transform a relationship with you. Or someone new will come and transform your life like this. Serendipity. Valiant courage, take action with passion. If you like someone, friends, it's time to make that move. If you have a crush on somebody, go ahead and see how it goes. Because you have to be courageous, or someone will make a bold move towards you. First light, beginning a new cycle. Wow, there are two cards about new start, a fresh new way and a new cycle. So definitely this is a good time for you for love ahead. Lots of love, lots of friendships, appreciation, destined people coming your way. So that's it for now, friends. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Miss Dixie saying bye.